How to fix TeamSpeak 3 failed to connect to server error. So if you want to fix TeamSpeak 3 failed to connect to server error, then what you need to do is, first things first, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that it's stable. You can do this by opening a website or using another online service. If the connection is weak or down, reset your router or check your Wi-Fi settings. You will have your Wi-Fi option right here. On the bottom, you need to check your Wi-Fi or reset your router. Sometimes the server you're trying to connect might be down. You can check the status of the server by visiting a website like teamspeakstatus.com or contacting the server admin to confirm it's up and running. Now, if the server is fine and the internet is stable, try restarting TeamSpeak 3. Sometimes a simple restart can solve the issue. So close the app completely and reopen it to try connecting again. And another thing you can check is your firewall or antivirus settings. Sometimes security software can block TeamSpeak 3 from connecting to the server. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus and try reconnecting. If it works, add TeamSpeak to your firewall's exception list. Lastly, make sure your TeamSpeak 3 client is up to date. If there is a new version available, update and restart the application. Sometimes outdated version might be the problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.